Today we're showing you a 2014 New Holland Boomer 47 tractor. Tractor's 45 horsepower, has just under 350 hours. Comes with a New Holland 260 TLA quick attach front loader. Paint's in really nice shape on the tractor. Front grill guard is included. Does have the skid steer quick attach for your bucket connection. Nice 6-foot bucket on the tractor. R4 industrial tires are in nice shape. Hydrostat transmission. Foldable rollover bar. Got the telescopic 3-point arms. 540 PTO. Stabilizers on both arms. And again, 45 horsepower. Has a tilt steering wheel. Nice suspension seat here for the operator. It's a nice clean platform. It's got 3 ranges in the tractor, and then again a hydrostat transmission. You got 2 pedals down there for forward and reverse. Park brake here to the left. Also have your differential lock and 4-wheel drive engagement here to the left as well. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.